first you go to Guodinglu. You can see Guanghua Tower and square front door, and turn left and go straight this way. Almost. And right here. You can choose two kind of noodle or rice cake. I also don't know what it's called, so just pouring it to order. There are toppings. You can add sausage or egg. If you don't want spicy, you can say bula or bulada. If you want to add something, just say jia and point what you want to add. If you order basic, two kind of noodle, and it costs 8 yuan. But if you add egg, it'll add 2 yuan more, so total 10 yuan. I have no idea sausage price. I guess 2 or 3 yuan. I used to order basic and add egg because basic one is only pretty salty. Somebody ordered rice cake one. And this is alert. The store opens dinner and nighttime only. Somebody ordered rice. Looks yummy. I ordered rice cake plus white noodle and egg as usual. Okay, next I'm gonna show you the second my favorite store. There's a cat. This is inside the store. You can see. You can choose the type of noodle. White noodle or thin one and so on. They open early morning and until night. You can choose spicy or not spicy one. It's same. If you want spicy, you can say la or lada. But if you want not spicy one, you can say bula or bulada. You always put some peanuts on the top, but just get it even if you don't want. I am sorry because the peanut in Chinese pronunciation is so hard for me. If you want to try to say 不要花生酱, it means I don't want peanut. If you happen to go to economics building or school of management or 6th building of Fudan, it's nearby. So go toward to opposite of main Fudan campus. So you can find Family Mart. It looks like this. So if you find this street, it's right. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.